Today's star of the shave is Old Spice. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today we're doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, the star of the shave is Old Spice Soap and Splash. I'm also using a Gillette Red Tip with a Tatra. Let me open it up. Tatra Platinum. I have to make sure I'm saying it right. Yes. Tatra Platinum blade. A beautiful Alpha shavings brush and a soap brush with a synthetic knot. And of course my bougie sprayer. So let's get to this shave. I've been lately in this mood to face lather and also use creams. I'm expanding. So yeah, I love to expand, and I'm down to earth and back to basic ball latherer. Don't get me wrong. And the closest thing I'll do to a tub lather is use a puck. I mean, that's the closest thing. I believe, tubs should be scooped. My personal preference. I don't want to offend the tub loaders now. So, yeah. I did some, I don't know if it's spring yet. Is it spring? I don't know. It was cold in the morning and then it got better. So, I did some, little house cleaning, bathroom, living room, laundry. And, I go to the laundromat because the one in my building is, basically twice the price. So, today I did laundry and it was, I think it was $24, 2 big loads, and I used the dryer. If I would have done that in my building, it would be at least 48, maybe 50. Because the dryer, they get you in the dryer. That's where they get you. Yeah. So, it's interesting to see people, what they do there. Especially the people with the kids who, they can't control their kids. So please control your kids. My shopping cart is not their jamboree or their amusement park, okay? And when I'm sitting on the chair, could you please stop jumping on the chair next to it? Maybe don't give your kid that 64 ounce of soda and then a whole bag of candy, and they'll be more calm, okay? You gotta teach your kids. The world is not their playground. I'm just saying my personal opinions and stuff. Silly me. So yeah, I had a good time. I know I'm weird. I'm quirky. I'm unique. But I just love going to the laundromat and just sitting there waiting for my laundry. Especially now since we got the interwebs on the phone. This is a good face lather. And this is a nice scent. Old Spice has been around for a long time, and they changed the formula, I heard. So from my understanding, until around 1989, the formula was the same, and then P&G bought them, and then they tinkered around with it a little bit until 93, and then I forgot when. That's when you got the modern take. They made it more modern for young, made it more hip and stuff, and then they added all these flavors like limes and stuff. But I don't know. I'm just getting into my face lathering adventure. Oh, look at this beautiful lather. Don't say I don't know how to face lather. So yeah, back to the laundromat. So I went to the laundromat today after I did my morning routine and cleaned the bathroom and stuff, and the living room a little, and my room a bit. Spring cleaning. Not super crazy, but just so you can see a difference. Beautiful scent. I mean, personally, every so often you gotta clean up and do dig down and deep and just move things around and stuff. Outside cleaning maybe is a representation of inside cleaning. I know, personal opinion. Oh man, these is my earpiece coming out again? It's always the same earpiece. God. So yeah, I'm in the laundromat, and this kid is running around. And you know, instead of the mom, like in the old days, would have just grabbed the kid and just sat him down the chair and yelled at him. No, she gave him more candy. Like, okay, your kid is hyper, and yeah, that's the answer. Give them more sugar. Yeah, good idea. Parent of the year. I know I'm speaking on my soapbox. Sadly, I don't have anything to talk about my life, but I'm trying a different approach and being more observant of what's my surrounding. Oh man, it's like a clean smell, like with spice. Not old, but a new spice. Urgh. So yeah, I just love hanging out in the laundromat. So you can say I'm boring, but no. I love, and then you know what else I get happy about? Huh? Oh. I love putting on clean clothes. You're like, shouldn't you? Is that? I mean, but I just have a special feeling. It's like I'm being reborn again. Does that make sense? Let me know in the comments. I didn't take a taste. It's, you know, if I see any lather by the sides of my face, I'm going to take a taste. I didn't take enough taste, but yeah. I know lather's for shaving, not for snacking. But yeah, I just chilled there, watched YouTube, and it felt relaxed. I'm like, Jason, you went outside. I mean, technically I did go outside. I left my bedroom, I left my apartment building, and I walked a couple of blocks. So yes, technically that's going outside, but I could do better than that, but I just like it. I don't know. I'm weird and quirky. I don't know if you heard there are people yelling outside, kids playing. So if you hear it, that's the background. That's not Jason. Oh man. I'm really enjoying my face lathering part of wet shaving. Let me know in the comments. I mean, what's your main go-to shave and what's your out-of-the-box shave? I want to know. Shababa! God. I love these Tatra blades. That's why they're the unofficial blades of the community, or I should say official blades of the community. Yeah. Look at me jibber-jabbering. Ah. I needed to shave, and I need to share my thoughts. I'm happy. Thank you. Ah, fresh and clean. Let's put on this beautiful splash. Let me go over the lineup again. I used a beautiful bougie sprayer. You know, it kind of matches with the Old Spice. A beautiful Alpha Shaves brush and soap brush with a synthetic knot. A beautiful vintage Gillette Red Tip with a Tatra Platinum blade. And of course, the star of the shave is Old Spice. Wow. Thank you for staying this long. If you have time, Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, go to Instagram at The Razor Company or The Razor Company Live. And for all your wet shaving needs, go to therazorcompany.com. And remember, you are special and have a beautiful life.